Hi everyone, and welcome to episode 2 of the K&J Computer Vodcast. I'm Kyle.
And I'm John.
And today we're going to be showing you stuff about a cool program called Wine. What's Wine, John?
Wine is the Windows installer something or other. Technically it's Wine is not an
emulator.
Yeah.
Basically, the nutshell is Wine lets you run .exes on Linux.
We've talked about it in one of the podcasts.
We have in one of our podcasts, but for those of you who haven't heard it. By the way, if you haven't seen our podcast, you should come see them. They're at kjcomputers.webs.com. So today we're going to show you how to install a program called Notepad++. By the way, it's kjcomputers.webs.
Of course.
.com.
Capitalized it.
Capitalized it again. That's it. Okay. Alright. Okay. So we're going to show you how to install this program right there.
Notepad++.
Alright.
It's a pretty cool thing.
Turning it over to John now.
Okay. So, you go right-click, Properties, Permissions, Allow executing file as program. That's very important. If you don't do that,
Believe me, I learned that the hard way.
Yeah, so have I. If you don't do that, then it's gonna say this is dangerous and don't do it.
Now what we're doing is we're right-clicking on it again, and we're clicking on Open with Wine Windows Program Loader. And it's gonna chew for a minute and make its nice little squiggly circle thing.
Yes, which is pretty much, and then it starts looking all Windowsy. You'll see what I mean in a minute. You can see a little bit here, but you'll start. Okay, very Windows-like. Okay. Next, I agree. Next, install, blah, blah, blah.
So now it's installing the program, and while we're installing the program, let's listen to some elevator music.
Elevator music?
Just kidding.
Oh.
Alright, now, as you can see, I have a fast dual-core computer, so that took about 10 seconds.
And so do I, by the way, so
for you single-core users out there.
Okay.
And now you see we're looking at Notepad++, which is pretty darn sweet.
Okay. It's kind of annoying. Took me a while to figure that out.
Now, I suppose we'll show you a little bit about how Notepad++ works since we're right here.
Yep.
Write some code, John.
Okay, let's see. Public, what is it? Public class,
we're still in the learning phase of programming, but as you can see,
Bionicle, I'm pretty sure that's how we do it.
What language are we in, John?
Java. I'm learning some Java right now, so.
Alright. Well, we won't bore you with all the details of
yeah,
code.
I'm probably
now that you've seen one line, yay! You supposedly understand it. Basically, what Notepad++ is it's a way to write code in a ton of different languages, and it will actually check it for you.
Yeah, and but also, you can use Notepad++ as just a word processor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
it's basically Notepad plus.
Yep. Okay. As in C++, I believe. I think that's probably what it's referring to, don't you think?
Well, Java isn't C++.
I know, but C++ is a
programming language.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
and you don't need the installer, the original .exe thing once you've installed it, by the way. But that's our short little tutorial about using Wine.
Alright, okay. Well, thanks. If you have any questions, you can write us at the Contact Us section of our webpage, which again is kjcomputers.webs.com. Also, watch our YouTube channel, because more videos will probably be coming on shortly.
Yeah, pretty quickly, too. Kyle and I are going to be doing them separately, and probably be doing a ridiculous amount of them. Okay.
Well, thanks. Bye.
Bye.